Hi everyone, this is Kushal Jambulkar from Gossip Funda. Let's get started. So, in this video, I will be telling you about how to leave a group text in Android phone. So, first let us know how to mute a group text on Android phone or delete it. Group text can be useful for coordinating between multiple people at once, like if you are choosing where to go for dinner with your friends. But they can also be quite annoying if they are used excessively. If you are getting swamped with notification, you might want to leave the group text. If you want to mute a particular message, I will show you how to do it. Open your messaging app by tapping on it. For the purpose of this guide, we are using the messaging app that comes included with the Android phones. Tap and hold the conversation you want to mute. Tap the notifications button in the bottom left of the screen, and then a small mute button will appear next to the conversation and you will no longer receive notifications about it. If you want to remove the group text from your messaging app entirely, you will need to take one more step. After muting the group text, tap and hold the conversation again. Then tap the delete button in the bottom right corner of the screen. When a pop-up window appears, tap delete. This will remove the group text from your messages, but anytime another person takes that original group chat, the text will reappear in your messages. You will still receive those texts until the group text creator removes you. So now let us see how to leave a group chat in Android phone. If you leave the chat, you can be added back only by the chat admin, something to keep in mind before leaving a group chat. So now to leave a group chat, follow these steps. Within the group chat, tap the chat menu button, the three lines or the squares on the upper right side of the screen, then tap on the leave chat located at the bottom of the screen and tap yes when you receive the leave chat alert, or you can simply delete it. I hope I was able to give you some of the information. If I do, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Gossip Funda YouTube channel. You can also watch the previous videos from the I button. You can also visit to gossipfunda.com webpage where you will find more interesting tech-based facts and articles. Link is in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you.